Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif.
Welcome channel Nani Dayas.
Welcome to channel?
Nani Dayas.
No, Sameera Sharif.
Nani Dayas.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I am at my mom's place. So before, to those who keep questioning me, who is this cute little guy? He is my nephew, my elder sister's son. And Ira is my niece, my younger sister's son. And sorry, my younger sister's daughter. My younger sister's daughter. So now I've come here for the weekend and it is Sunday today. And I just woke up some time back, so I thought, why not take you guys through my day, like my Sunday at my mom's place. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I woke up some time back, I got freshened up, and I'm going to have my so you guys know that we are back from a vacation, right? And in the vacation I've actually put on a lot of weight, which most of you all have also commented on my Instagram page. So I've been working towards a fitter and healthier lifestyle and making my best in working out, because on my vacation I didn't get to work out except for one day. So yeah, I'm making my best in working out and also intaking the healthy foods. And there's another thing that I've added to my diet, that is the green coffee beans.
Hi guys, welcome Nani Dayas.
Bolo, what are we doing today?
Today, Batam may going.
And
Pay.
what is that?
That is news family. Namaste.
अच्छे से. And then for breakfast, I tried to put dosa all by myself. So here I was making puri dosa, the puri which we got from Bangalore's Chukana Tiffin Center. Yeah, and it tasted supremely yummy. Alright guys, so I'm done with my breakfast, I'm done with my workouts. Now I'll quickly go have my shower. It's too late now, I mean it's close to noon. So I'll go have my shower and also have a video planned. I mean, I was planning to film a video. You guys know every day when I have to upload a video every day for you guys, I need to film every day as well. So today I plan to film one of most special videos. In fact, this is something to do with our personal life and our personal care and all of those, which I've been meaning to share since a very long time. Something to do with a story time kind of a thing. I hope you guys will like that video, because that is something which is very personal to every girl, and some awareness that I've been wanting to spread all over. So I'll be filming that video. I'll quickly go have my shower, get freshened up, and see you guys before filming that video. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in some time. Alright guys, so I'm done with my shower. The video that I was planning to film today, I might or might not film, because I would be leaving tonight back to my home. So I've just come for a night. I came yesterday in the evening, so I'll be leaving in the night, and also I have planned for the YouTube live, because it is Sunday today, with my family, with my mom and Ayan and my sister. That's Ira crying in the background, please ignore, it's her feeding time. So yes, I'll quickly have my lunch and see you guys in some time. And then for my lunch, I had my most favorite kofta curry, and if you guys want to know how is kofta curry made in my mother-in-law style, I'll link it so you can go and check it out.
Yes, welcome channel. Ayan Dayas. So Ayan kal dega go. So Ayan come home, come home.
Okay guys, so Ayan and I are going to this store called Babyland, and this is Ayan's car. So he just said that he need to give his car for servicing. So Ayan and I are going to give his car for servicing. So we're going there, and also the mask that we are wearing, Ayan, myself and my dad
I just welcome Tarik, my Nanu.
Yes, that is Ayan's Nanu. So Daddy, Ayan and myself, three of us are wearing this mask from Pure Breeze. Very much secure, guys. As you can see, there's no space for air to go or get polluted. Ayan, no. And also as he did, it is very sturdy also. Wait, and when you see, it is very soft even near the nose. So you can pick these masks from this website called Pure Breeze. I'll make sure and link it down in the description box. And also guys, I have a coupon code for you people and you get discount, I think 100 rupees discount if I'm not wrong. But yeah, everything will be linked in the description box down below, so you can go and check it out and buy this complete secure mask, and all the details will be mentioned in the description box about the mask also. So yeah, let's quickly go and get his car repaired. Okay, so after struggling straight for 10 minutes or so, we realized that Ayan's car is very big to fit in my car. So we dropped the car at home and we're just going to tell them what is the problem, and they will come and pick it from our home for the service. Okay, Ayan? Okay? So yes, so now we're going to the Babyland. So as you can see, we have reached Babyland, and this is one of Ayan's favorite stores because it is very much close to our home and also has all cute stuff. So let's go and quickly tell them about the car and buy some gifts for Ayan and Prince. Alright guys, so we are finally done with Ayan's shopping. How was your experience, Daddy?
It was fine.
It was fine?
Fine, of course.
Aren't you tired?
Tired with Ayan.
Tired of Ayan and his shopping. Ayan, are you happy?
Yeah.
How much happy? Wait. Abul, are you happy? Don't touch. Are you happy?
Yeah.
How much?
5.
5.
Only 5? Only 5?
Alright guys, so we are back home and what happened? Meet Mr. Flash! Ah, Ayan, Ganesh. Woo woo!
I'm strong.
How strong are you? Show me your muscles. Woo! So yes, as I told you guys, it is Ira's 7th month celebration.
I am 7 months.
And 7 months, no, Ayan is 3 years, 6, no, how many months? 8 months. 3 years, 8 months old. Okay, so it is Ira's 7th month celebration. And Ayan and Ira are celebrating, correct?
Yeah.
Both.
Yes. True. Flash, Mr. Flash.
This is for Ira.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayan. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you.
May God
bless
you, dear.
Ayan. May God bless you, dear Ayan.
Happy birthday to you.
You liked it? See, I know the singing happy birthday song for Bhaiya.
Now will you give this to Nanu? Oh, no.
चल पकड़ो ये
Are you Nanu karna? Give one bite to Nanu. Nani?
Sharing
Baby?
is caring.
Baby? Yes. Okay, go baby.
Yummy.
Nanu, one bite.
Very, very tasty. Yummy.
Okay guys, so the time right now is 7:24. We're just done filming the live with Ayan and my entire family. So if you haven't watched that live, I'll link it right here. Go and check that out. It was a task because Ayan was super cranky. And also, before ending this vlog, yesterday we had gone to Decathlon, so I thought I'll quickly show you guys the Decathlon's haul. I mean, things that I picked for myself. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the haul. Alright guys, so I have this huge bag right here. So as I told you guys that I've been working towards a fitter and healthier lifestyle at the beginning of the video. So I've been working out and I've been focusing on a couple of things. So yes, so yeah, for that I went to Decathlon and also wanted to pick few things and check on have a look on few things that I wanted. So first thing that I picked is a kettlebell. So this is a 12 kg kettlebell and this retailed for rupees 2,999. I don't know if this was on discount. Maybe even if it was on discount, probably was but it was more than 2,000, that is for sure. I'm just telling you guys the MRP because I don't know how much it retailed for, the discounted price. And then I got this one. So this is a neck support when you're doing your abs. I don't know how far that's gonna help, but I saw this on their website and I've been meaning to buy this since then. So I thought let me get my hands on this, and this retailed for rupees 1,299, but I'm sure this was around 999 because that is what I saw online. I mean the website, the Decathlon's website. So let me show you guys how this exactly looks. So this is how this is gonna be, and it would go behind your neck. So the wider side is gonna go towards your head and this is gonna support you, and when you do your crunches, you're not going to hurt basically your neck from behind. So this is the other thing that I have. And then I also got this one. This is the push-up wheel. So it is, let me quickly unbox and show. So I have two of these. So it comes with two of these. So I'll just quickly show you guys how exactly this works. So as you can see, there are wheels right here. So you can either put your arm and use the wheels and work out, or there's a button right here. So when you press the button, this is gonna get separated, and this is going to, I mean, you need to support your body, balance your body, as this is not going to be stable on the floor. This would wobble, and you should make sure this doesn't wobble, and put your feet on this. And when you use the roller and do the mountain climbers with having your hand balanced on the floor, that's gonna work very good on your abs and also on your legs. So very good. So this is another very good product. I've tried it after coming home and I'm so much in love with this. Because as I told you, I am focusing more on the healthier and fitter lifestyle, because my birthday and my first wedding anniversary is coming very, very soon. So I need to transform myself as soon as possible. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this one. So this is a gym bag that I got for Anwar Jan. So it opens up to a nice, very nice decent duffel bag, wherein he can carry his water bottle, wallet, face towel and all of those. So just to carry his basic stuff to the gym. So this is what I picked, and I think this was on discount. So this basically was on discount, so I don't remember how much that retailed for. And the next thing that I took is, let me show you. Okay, so these are some hair bands. So I picked 9 of these. Matlab, each one has 3 hairbands. So as you can see, I have 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, I have a repetition of these 2, but I wanted this one and this one as well. So I had to pick the other one. And then there's this one which has the other 3 shades. So if you've seen my story time videos with Anwar Jan, I used to wear these hairbands a lot back then in 2015 and just wear a ponytail, or I would just leave my hair open wearing these hairbands, and these used to be my most favorite ones. And I lost all those hairbands and I wanted to stock up on them, and the moment I saw these were available on Decathlon, so I thought I should get my hands on these ones as well. And this one retailed for rupees 99. Actually the MRP is 399 guys, but this one the pakka I remember because I picked 4 of these sets, one for my younger sister Seema. So yeah, each set retailed for rupees 99. Matlab one hairband is just rupees 33. I think that's a very decent price. And then I got some socks. So I got like there are 2 pairs in each set, so I have 4 pairs of socks, just the regular socks, so I can use them while I'm working out. And then I picked this yoga pants. These are the yoga comfort pants, full length yoga pants, and in the size S. This retailed for rupees so there's no price tag, but I think this retailed for rupees 899 or
499.
Oh, my sister is saying from inside that this retailed for rupees 499 only, so this also was on discount, I guess. And then I got my hands on this basic t-shirt, and this one retailed for rupees 159 only. This also I remember because I and Seema both took this t-shirt, so this retailed just for rupees 159. And the last, no, then I have this one. This is just to work on your muscles. This is I think the medium, or yeah, it's the medium hand grip, the hand grip ring of medium. They had a lighter version also, which was not very hard. The hard one was extremely hard, which I couldn't do with my left hand, but right hand of course I did. I could. So basically I wanted to improve my left arm muscles, so that's why I thought I should get my hands on this. So basically when I'm working on system, I thought I should keep my hand busy and work on the hand grip. And now the last thing that I have is a jump rope. So I've been meaning to buy this jump rope. I already had one, but I lost it somewhere. I don't know where I lost it, or where did I lose that one. So this jump rope, you can add on some weights to the handle. So I also got the weights along with it. Alright guys, so that's the end of my Decathlon haul. And also I'll end this vlog right here because it's 7:37 already. As okay, I don't know if the camera is capturing it. Okay, so it is 7:37 already and I need to leave to my home. So yeah, I'll end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it was fun because I had super fun today at home, and also showing you guys what I got and what I drank in the morning and what all did I do. I went out with Ayan, and yeah, also celebrated Ira's 7th month, and also I went live on YouTube along with my family today. So yeah, that's about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.